Why do Stuart like that, man? He didn't deserve that. Just because his name kind of rhymed with what I was saying? So therefore I gotta be mean to him? You have no idea what I'm talking about, but I'm over here like, do it to it, Stuart, and then like, or I'll kill you, and I'm like, what the where did that come from? What does that say about me as an individual? Not good things, for sure. I really, really wish this little bit of my mustache right over here didn't always just fucking swoop into my mouth. It's not good. Just rip the whole goddamn thing, light it all on fire. Dude. Inferno beard. That would be neat, don't you think? You run around like Thor, but your face is on fire, so it wouldn't be Thor at all. Almost like he got struck directly in the face with light. Would he give a shit? I don't know. Yeah, get up on my Norse mythologies. All I'm saying is Thor in any incarnation of any story, Marvel, or fucking real religion shit. Sorry to everyone. That's our god, and you're being very rude. Also, no one talks like that. If you believed in Thor, you probably wouldn't talk like, well, that's just not okay. I'm sorry, which you've offended me very greatly. That's rude. What if I said something very mean about Jesus? And I'd be like, I mean, I personally wouldn't care that much, but that's just me. I'm a little distant. It's been a very long time. What the actual shit am I talking about? On fire beard, Stuart's dead. I'm basically just Thor. No, but anyway, hey, hi-oh. Yeah, no. Anyway, hey, hi-oh, and howdy, everyone. My name is Channel Shook, and welcome yet again to another video on the channel. This time it is Carole Tuesday episode. Carolyn Threesday. Let's try that one again. Carolyn Traced. There's got to be a way to make this work. Carole and Try-day. Oh, that sounds more like Friday. Fuck you. Anyway, point is, it's Carole Tuesday, episode 3. I just got done from recording a special little video on the channel. That is because we just fucking hit 500 subscribers. Woo! That's a big number. There's a lot of you. That's a whole lot of you. I know there could be more of you, but that's not rational in my brain at this point. But it should be, because y'all keep growing. You keep multiplying like little goddamn bunnies. What's that about, man? But yeah, no, we just got done recording that, and if you guys haven't seen it, just the TLDR is there's a poll for some new stuff. We're gonna be doing Aramonga Sensei as soon as I finish up Surgery Children here on the channel, and about 15 minutes of me just talking about how much I love you guys and how much y'all have been extraordinarily kind to me after a week of absolute trash and after the hardest video I've ever had to fucking make in my entire goddamn life. So put those two things together, I was in a bit of a pickle, and I was immediately reminded that my audience are literally the sweetest human beings on the fucking planet. So that's pretty fucking dope. Yeah, so that's there for anyone who gives a shit. And if you don't, we're here for Carole Tuesday. Again, there'll be a link in the description of the poll, so you don't have to go to the other video to do that. What if I did do that? That'd be a dick move. Better go watch this other video just to click on this thing that I really want you to do so that I can fucking... Whatever. Point is... yeah, so there's that. I do also want to quickly apologize to people who missed out on videos last week. Hyoka, Bakemonogatari, Bunny Girl Senpai, and Konosuba got screwed, because, again, time is a fickle hoe. But, you know, it is what it is, and I'm doing my best not to dwell on it as much as I can. But yeah, so we are here. I am also sorry we're behind still, but we'll get there. Or maybe we won't. But again, one episode behind could be worse. Could be 2 episodes behind. Like, we never learn. Oh shit. Yeah, so what happened last episode of Carole Tuesday? Some musical jams was done. Carole was rad. Tuesday was adorable. The Bigman, whose name I have not registered still because I'm dumb, wants to be the gals' manager because they was on the YouTubes because of the one guy whose name I haven't registered, who's like, yo, do a pose for me. He wasn't. He was very sneaky about it. He's like, the Batman, Alfred, do you think I'd look good playing that piano in that dress? And she probably wasn't wearing a dress. Carole's not a big dress person. Point is, I don't know what my point was. Anyway, yeah, so that was what happened last episode. And then, well, also Angela was fucking sitting in a chair doing some scales. He said, pretending to know anything about music despite being a big music fan. But yeah, no, just in general, I'm really enjoying the show so far, and it seems to be that's the general consensus. I don't know if one of the like the next episode or something, people were a little. I don't know what was up with it, but on multiple occasions I heard people going, "All right." So I don't know what that means, but we'll find out then. And I bet y'all still love it because I'll love fucking anything. You could literally put a plate full of dirt in front of me. I'd be like, well, that's lovely. Mother Earth. It's great. I'm I'm a fucking loser. But I'm a happy loser, and that's what matters. Yeah, so there's that. Again, I want to say thank you guys to the people who have been supporting the show. Thankfully, again, we haven't nailed the technical problems, but the way we have it figured out now, I don't think it'll be an issue at all, and it seems to be working just fine. The subs were way fucking better this time, and everything's great, so I think we're gonna have a good time, and I'm excited, and we're gonna do it, and hopefully there'll be more of Tuesday being a muffin day, and Carole being a croissant. Coruscant? Oh my god, the Jedi Order. The fuck am I talking about? I don't even know. Anyway, we're gonna watch this. Why do I feel like why do I look so tiny? Number one, you're off fucking center. You fucking idiot. Number two, I just feel tiny. Is it the lighting? I don't know what's up. I'm a fat fuck. Why am I not taking up 80% of the goddamn screen? You still off center. Fuck it. Go ahead and watch episode 3 of Carole and Tuesday. Yeah. I'm sorry. Anyway, we're going to get started here in 3, 2, 1. Wait. I said I was going to do this. I really should do it. I don't know if it's going to help. I'm going to try it this week, see if it actually helps. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Go. Because that way, in my head, that's a lot more abrupt than doing whatever this shit is. So I'm going to try it. Hopefully it's not just really loud in your ears. Bam! Right next to the microphone. The whole relaculous. What the shit? Some 7 minutes. In heaven? Oh my god. With them? I wouldn't complain. I'm a bad person, but I wouldn't complain. Also, I do love this intro. Damn right. Can we get a cabbie hat for Carole? See, now, and you'd be like, why would you say that, Shannon? Well, number one, that's because any human being on the planet is infinitely fucking improved as an individual by having a cabbie hat. But, like this song. I need to get this fucking nose if you don't fucking stop fucking with me. I was just thinking that because there was another character not long ago that had overalls and wore a cabbie hat, and I was like, that's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my goddamn life. And I was like, baby girl, you want to try that? Because I bet you look good. Unlike my fucking nose, which just wants to fucking fight forever. Again, anything is better with a cabbie hat. Probably. Oh, you guys having a big old anniversary. This man. Is he the narrator and I only just now noticed that after he told me? I'm fucking stupid. An idiot. Moron. I blame y'all for not telling me. Oh, y'all got menu tables? Pizza's great. I approve. Margarita's pretty good. Ooh. I bet you they're probably pretty good. I don't know how the city air does for them, but... or Mars. Oh, it's got the melty globs of cheese. Fuck yeah, that's some real pizza right there, son. Some tasty, delicious freshness. That's the one thing is I can't keep up with the Instagram thing that they have. Number one, because I don't give a shit about Instagram. Two, mostly because I'm behind, so I don't want to look at it too much because I'll get fucking... Oh, no. Gus, that's his fucking name. I remember now. The man's Gus. That'd be a Gustavo there, sir. Hello. Did I comment on his voice before? I have to have, because that's way too familiar. Well, as long as you ain't bringing the popo down on my girl, man. Unless it's like Popo from Anohana. That would be awesome, because he would be a blast. Shoutouts to all of these things that are still around on the Mars in the future. That's a shame. You were in a band called Lazy Sandwich? That's fucking amazing. I want to be in that band. Has dwelled in the shadows, much like the Batman. Got more of a Bane thing going on, though. Who the who one? Just be careful when you find your Yoko. Oh no, man. I do appreciate how much just fucking... I don't know. I appreciate how much they give a shit about music as a whole in this series. I don't know. Just cool to me for whatever reason. That is a interesting poll, but I mean, I get what you're going for. And who don't want some beaver, you know what I'm saying? You and I are definitely talking about a different sort of thing, but 37 questions. Hi, baby girl, how you doing? Baby girl look good, damn. Not even big on that outfit, but I kind of am too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Aladdin, what's up, boy? Could we be friends? Oh, that sounds disgusting. He said, not ever having had durian. Does it smell as bad, though? I'll do some there jumping jacks. You got your own little hype man. And I can't tell if it's great or annoying. Damn. What's up, bruh? How you doing? My mans. I mean, that is generally how it works. I mean, again, I know the internet's a thing, and it's definitely a thing by this point, but where is the fun in that, man? Oh, we got a... was it Erdogan, or whatever his name was? One day I'll get a fucking voice coach. Today is not that fucking day, though. How much is that? Let's say, did that say 42? Was it like 42 or was it like 42,000? It was more like yen or more like dollars. I wasn't. Was that cool? Wulong? Is that more Chinese of some kind? I don't. It's Marazian is what it is. My man looks like he's having a great day, by the way. Just watching the shit go. I like how chill as fuck Carole is, and Tuesday is just kind of adorable. Ooh. Yeah. Boy, get in on this. You just got a free show, man. This is dope as fuck. Get in. Yeah. Like bats. My man. This show has such a weird, unique fucking atmosphere to it. It's so fucking... That's just like, I don't know. That's not something I see in stuff usually. I really, really like that fucking vibe it has. It's really fucking unique. Ain't that the fucking truth? And I can't do fucking singing, so I'm fucked. Like the other one's like all somber, but this one's just a nice, tasty fucking jam. Hey now. Double hey now. Can I see Tuesday with her hair up? But like, just like, in general. I mean, you can keep her clothes wherever they need to be, but I'm just saying, in general. She walked the fuck out of a ponytail. I know she would. But look at her. Oh. You got this. You do not have this. She dead. Show's over. He got a Robo Bunnyman too. Can I have one? I just have one that looks like Bento or Kyle. It'd be great. Ah. Oh. Do I know Fire and Rain? I don't think I do. The other two I had down, but I don't know about that. I'm gonna look that up after this, though. This is just gonna be a way to introduce me to a bunch of new songs. Is what's gonna, or a bunch of old songs, I guess I should say. What the fuck? I like Gus. It's pretty all right. This is some... Oh my god. I'm about 99% sure that's not how vocal lessons work. That's some Kool-Aid shit right there. Oh. Well, you're no fun. Also, I got to realize who he was VA-wise, and I was like, oh, well, now that you say that, I'm fucking stupid. Thank you for reminding me. I assure you, you don't have to do that, whatever that is. Should have seen that one coming. No. Muffin, no. She looked real good with the little pigtail things going on. What's up? Hello, sir. The mans. Yeah, Erdogan. I don't know if I'm nailing that pronunciation. Yeah, Erdogan. I got it. He is what I would refer to as a fancy pants. It's because my pants are ripped to fuck, though. I don't have very fancy pants. Wait, or is that the... Wait. Is that the narrator? I'm dumb. Ignore me. Whatever. I give up. I'm just gonna watch the show. I mean, I remember you. You're very, very rememberable. I love that sweater. What is y'all's relationship? Like, it's a manager, right? I'm not fucking stupid, I don't think, but... Oh. Gus has got this. Look at this man. Look at them tight-ass pants. He's got this. Is that a thing you'd normally need to worry about? I don't think that's a good idea to not have your represented. Oh. Do the fucking Dead Space. Fucking, yeah. That's a little bit of a dope ass. Oh, yeah. Or is that an art piece? Why? Why is that an art piece that you have in your home? It's a choice. There's the man's. That's a nice ass pool on the beach. You look like, or the overhang. What's up, dude? Indeed it was, good sir. That's a choice. Might need to break him out of a jam there, Gus. Run through him like a big old bullman. A mighty minotaur. Can you not? I know it's your house, but... You weird fucker. I'm good. You're wet. Very wet. No one wants that. I'm sure maybe someone wants it. It's just not for me. I believe that is the idea. The idea. And that is why you fail. Or succeed, whatever. God damn. I mean, no. Please don't. They're sweethearts. More like fucking Assigan. More like. Oh, sweetie. You tell this man. You show this asshole. Damn. It's a hell of a fucking statement. That's not what I quite would have expected from her. That's my man, you got this. Pull through. I believe in you. Y'all fucking just... Oh, I was like, y'all just dripping with sweat. And then I realized, never mind. You were, she's more darling than I thought. She's pretty darling. Ichigo joke. Fucking love these two, man. I mean, sometimes you gotta be a little bit of both. Yeah. I like those three in general. Gus is pretty fun too. Fuck yeah, man. This is just a real good-ass time. I really like this show. I know I said that already multiple times. But, you know, I think the first episode was enjoyable. Again, I don't know how much of it was hampered just because, again, the issues that surrounded it. Yeah, no, it's a fucking good time. And again, like I was saying, it has a very unique vibe to it, like the laundromat scene. I can word. It just had a very unique feel to it. That's not something you see very often, and I really, really liked it. Also, shout outs to my man getting in on it. After a bit, I was like, come on. Be the best not girl who isn't relevant at all. Yeah. It's a good ass time, man. Just really enjoy this. I'm very interested to see the next episode as well. I want to see the whole goddamn show, but yeah. Also, they did say, yeah, it is 24 episodes, which is fucking wild. So that's gonna be a fucking thing. Because I'm trying to think about all where they can go with it. And I mean, you can at least have an idea of where an ending could or would be, which would be the 7 minutes thing that the man is always talking about in the intro. But it would be interesting to see how long it takes them to get to that, and really what they do getting to it. It'd be interesting. I don't know. I'm interested. I'm very interested. But yeah, no, fucking loving it so far. I really liked this in the last episode. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it too and you didn't hate me and all that, then give it some love. And I will catch you guys next week or whenever I can. Who knows? Maybe I'll get crazy with fucking recording this week, and I'll be able to get some extra ones in there. But I feel like, yeah, I think it would be this one. We never learn first that has to get caught up because we're an extra episode behind. We need to finish up Suraduri and hopefully get caught up on this one as well. But yeah, so we'll do what we can. And whenever I see you guys next, or you guys see me next, I guess I don't really see you guys as much. That's not how cameras work. But yeah, so hope whatever you guys see next, you enjoy just as much. Anyway, till then, guys. Doodles, lemons. Yeah. Tuesday is mad adorable, by the way. Bars and also accurate.